Okay, here's a quick tutorial on loading images into your processing program. So we're going to use an image function, and we need to store this image, typically as a JPEG, works really well, in a folder named data that's going to be under our sketch folder. So, and we can use this code right here as it is. So I'm going to copy and paste that code right into a blank sketch that I have saved as image, load image. I have saved this already. I'm going to show you where I've saved that in my file explorer. So I have this file named loadImage, and inside here I have created a data folder. Inside that data folder I will house a picture of some sort of JPEG. Typically works really well. So what I've done is I've just gone onto the internet, found a beach image, and I have saved this image as beach. And it's very important that you understand how you've named your image, because that's how you will call it in your processing program. So I have named it beach. It doesn't like the quotations that are pre-provided by the PowerPoint, so we need to rename those here. And I'm going to comment this line of code out here real quick for us. So let's make our window size a little bit bigger so we can see this, maybe 1000 by like 800, so we can get a view of this image here. Okay, so I'm going to put this image here. Now here's that picture of that beach. Now it doesn't give us full coverage, so what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to resize this image so that it can fit inside our window, which is larger. So I want to go into my draw method right here, and I'm going to call the image that I've saved it as IMG. So I've saved this image beach into this variable IMG, and now I'm going to resize that variable. And I'm going to resize it to fit the window size that we have, which is 1000 by 800. And then I'm going to call that image to be redrawn again. At X and Y 0, 0. So I'm going to redraw that. And now you should see we get better coverage for that. Okay. And if you wanted to, maybe you didn't necessarily want that full coverage, you could indicate to that image that we're drawing you at your X and Y coordinates, but we're only going to use up maybe half of the screen size in this particular case here. So I'm going to do this, and we're going to have an image on top of each other here because I'm calling it twice to be drawn. So here is our resized image in the background, and here is that one that is half the height and width of our window. And again, as the height and width of the window increases and decreases, this would be dynamic right here. Okay, so that's a quick tutorial on how you can load images into your processing program.